Everyone, welcome back to the Business Circle with myself, Sino M. So if you're new to the channel, this channel is all about business insights, leadership development, and financial tips. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would advise you to do so right now to never miss out on new content from the channel. So a few weeks ago, I was catching up with my uncle and we got into a deep conversation regarding farming. So he's always been passionate about agriculture. So as we were talking, he shared some frustrations and challenges of farming that farmers face today, and the rising costs, the unpredictable weather, and access to markets. But what stood out for me was his excitement about farming and its potential for growth in the sector. So he shared a few things with me that really resonated with me, and it inspired me to make this video. So if you're a new farmer, this will be good for you. And that conversation stuck for me because it inspired me to do today's. So it's no secret that farming is evolving fast, and tech is at the heart of this transformation. So if you're thinking about starting a farm, looking for ways to improve your current operations, stick around. This video is for you. Today we are diving into the game-changing technologies that are changing agriculture and making it easier for new and small-scale farmers to thrive. There are some fascinating innovations in farming, and they are as follows. First up, we have precision farming that allows for smarter and more efficient agriculture. So gone are the days of relying purely on guesswork or traditional farming methods. So this precision farming allows farmers to use GPS, AI, and data analytics to make better decisions about soil health, planting times, and crop management. So imagine being able to analyze your soil conditions in real time and applying just the right amount of fertilizer in the right spot instead of spreading it across the whole field. This will help reduce waste, cut down your costs, and boost crop yields, which make the farming more efficient and profitable. Second up, we have drones, which is like the farmer's eyes in the sky. So drones are no longer just for taking cool aerial photos. They are now transforming how farmers can monitor crops and their livestock. With high-resolution cameras and sensors, drones can scan the entire field in minutes and help you identify areas that need water, fertilizer, or pest control. Some advanced drones even help spray pesticides and bring fertilizers automatically. For livestock farmers, drones can help track cattle, detect health issues early, which help improve your overall farm management. Smart irrigation, which is all about watering crops the smart way. So water is one of the biggest challenges for farmers, especially with South Africa's frequent droughts that we experience. So smart irrigation systems use sensors to monitor the soil moisture levels and automatically adjust water flow based on the plant's needs. So this means that you're not just overwatering or wasting resources, but you're using just the right amount at the right time. The results of all of this, you may ask, is, well, it will lead to lower water bills, healthier crops, and a more sustainable farm. Why do these innovations matter for new farmers? If you're new to farming or you're thinking about joining the sector, these technologies can be the game changer that you're looking for. And here's why. Lower costs and higher productivity. So by making use of the data-driven tools, you can reduce waste, save money, and produce more with less effort. There's easier entry into the industry. So in the past, farming required a lot of land, manual labor, and experience, like really a lot of experience. But today, technology allows even small-scale farmers to compete and be profitable. Next up, we have direct access to markets. So with digital platforms and social media, farmers can now connect with their buyers directly and cut out the middleman, which will help the farmers increase their profits. So whether you're selling fresh produce or organic products, there is technology that makes it easier for you to reach your customers. So how do you get started with Agri-Tech now that you see the potential in the sector? You might be wondering, how do you actually get started? But before I tell you, just remember to subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't yet, do so right now and give this video a thumbs up if you're finding value in it and enjoying the content. So number one, explore funding options. There is a land bank. You can even approach normal banks. Government grants are there. Private sectors are increasingly supporting tech-driven agriculture these days. So you just do your research, look which Agri-Tech funding program will help you to get started or will work for you. Number 2, join innovation hubs and incubators. So organizations and universities are running programs to help farmers access technology, equipment, and training. Some even offer mentorship from experienced agri-entrepreneurs. So once again, take the time to do your research and get yourself equipped with the right resources to set you up for success from the beginning. Number 3, leverage government and private sector support. So in South Africa, there are various initiatives aimed to help small-scale farmers, from agricultural cooperatives to agribusiness development programs. So please, please, please don't hesitate to tap into these resources and do your research. To the end, I hope this video gave you some insight into how technology can help you transform farming and make it easier for you as a new farmer to succeed. If you're interested in diving deeper into this topic, because I'm not the expert, I was just giving guidance, please go check out the links in the description below, and I've included some great resources where you can learn more on Agri-Tech, funding, and business support for new farmers. And as always, if you have any thoughts or questions for me, please drop them in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights. See you in the next video. Bye!